Hi, Dom. How are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
And you?
Okay.
Nice
Yeah,
to see
I'm
you.
well. So listen, we're going to align your occipital ridge, okay, which is at the back of your head. We get your brother to measure it, right? Before and then after we run the energy, okay?
No, wow.
So we're going to run the energy for, it's probably not going to need as much as 10 minutes, but let's go with 10 minutes and see. I think it will be done
Hmm.
quicker than that. Okay.
Oh, wow.
All
I
right.
had no idea about this one. That's a completely new for me. Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
It was for me until I learned quantum touch. So yeah, I didn't even know it
Mm.
existed. I knew the atlas bone was there, but I never knew about the
Mm.
occipital ridge. And so basically, chiropractors say it's virtually impossible to realign the occipital ridge.
Okay.
Okay. In quantum touch, we do it in literally a minute.
Then,
But
oh,
I'm
wow.
gonna give us I'm gonna give
Incredible.
us 10 so you can have 9 minutes on me.
Okay.
All right. The body will use that however it wants to use it. Okay?
Oh, I need it. Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so
Here is my brother here.
hiya, hi. Because what we need to do is measure your reciprocal ridge.
Ah.
So what we're doing is we're getting one thumb here, one thumb there. We need to see whether it's like this or like this, or maybe it's
Okay.
together and it's aligned. Maybe you are aligned.
Ah, okay. So it's a here is higher.
Okay.
Higher.
Okay, so
Right.
can we capture that on film? It's very
Like
difficult.
this.
It's quite difficult. Okay.
Yeah.
So then
Yeah, it's
we
not
can see
easy.
there that's the
But
misalignment.
you can see it.
Yeah. You can close your eyes so you're not watching what I'm doing on the video because sometimes it can be distracting. Yeah. And just breathe to your heart space. And in your mind's eye, go somewhere that is a happy space for you, somewhere that your soul sings. And you're already smiling, so I know you're there. And you just keep breathing there. Um, and Dom, should you experience any shifts, you may need to just open your eyes just to focus on a central point. And I would recommend maybe find that now before I start running
Just
the energy, right? So something that
what is
okay, so not the screen, but something like
okay.
that's on the wall, like a picture or a plant or maybe a clock.
I'll put this here like this. Yeah. Can
Yeah,
see
so
this.
you just you may need to
Oh, we do
you
like
may feel a
this.
shift. You may feel like a little bit woozy, okay? So you just want to just don't get panicked by it. Just open your eyes and then just focus on something that's stationary in your room.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay? So, we're just going to demonstrate realigning the occipital ridge. And where are you, Dom, also? Because you're not in the same country as
See,
me at the moment.
I'm in Bruxelles.
You're in
It's
Brussels.
my yeah,
Yeah,
to my
good.
parents.
Yeah, fantastic. So you're in Brussels, I'm in London, and we're going to run
Yeah,
energy on it. Let's see.
that's nice. No, you see, you can do it everywhere.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So you start to breathe to your heart space and go somewhere nice in your mind's eye.
I can feel something there. It's like he's still pushing on the skull.
Oh, really? Interesting.
Mm.
Okay. Did you feel that? after your brother left or at the beginning of the session?
Yeah, after a while. Yeah. I didn't feel it essentially
Oh,
immediately. No.
okay. So when I started running the energy, you then felt it.
Yeah, yes. It's like warm and like round,
Okay.
and it stay warm. Yeah, like two dots.
Okay, so that's 10 minutes. Just ground what we've done by visualizing roots coming out of the bottom of our feet, going down into Mother Earth. Here she holds us, we are grounded.
Non, tu comment tu le sens? Moi. Comment
Wow.
tu le sens, toi?
Okay, so let your brother turn back round so your back is facing your brother now, Dom.
Ah, okay, like this?
Yeah? Yeah, and so let him now do it with the thumbs so he can see.
Ah, alors tu peux le refaire avec tes pouces et tu le
Like what
vois,
you did first.
comme tu as fait tout à l'heure. Et donc tu le vois, tes pouces ils sont comme ça, vers l'extérieur. Oui, mais vers l'extérieur. Et comme ça tu peux voir si ça a changé.
Okay.
Ça a l'air droit. It says it looks aligned. Ouais. Mais non, comme ça je suis droite. Non, Thierry, comme ça je suis droite. Comme ça je suis droite.
It's aligned.
It stays aligned.
Of course it's aligned.
Ouais, eh ben, elle montre les fréquences. Ah, regarde comme elle est contente. Ça a l'air droit. Ouais, it stays aligned.